How to fix iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max speaker audio issues. So if you want to fix your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max speaker audio issues, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Before opening your settings, the first solution is to remove the phone case. After removing your phone case, your speaker audio issues might be fixed. If that doesn't, then the second solution is to go with your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with Sounds and Haptics, and from here you need to turn off change with buttons. In my case, it's already turned off, so you need to go and turn it off. After turning that off, the third solution is to turn on reduce loud sounds. You may have that option of reduce loud sound, so you need to go and turn it on. And the next solution is to turn off your Bluetooth. If you've turned on your Bluetooth, you need to go with your Bluetooth and make sure that it is turned off. And after turning it off, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you need to go back and go with your general. And here you need to just scroll all the way down and then go with shutdown. And after shutting down, you can restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.